Hey there, welcome to Meowuiz. Test your knowledge in today's quiz. Can you get all the answers right? Let's find out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any video. Number 1. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Jupiter, Saturn. Jupiter. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, or John Adams? George Washington. Which is the smallest country in the world? Monaco, San Marino, Vatican City. Vatican City. What is the chemical formula for water? H2O CO2O2. H2O. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which country? Australia, South Africa, Brazil. Australia. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Pablo Picasso? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond, gold, iron. Diamond. What is the capital of Spain? Madrid, Barcelona, Lisbon. Madrid. Which part of the human body pumps blood? Brain, lungs, heart? Heart. The Taj Mahal was built by which Mughal emperor? Akbar, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan. Which is the longest river in the world? Amazon River, Nile River, Yangtze River? Nile River. Who discovered gravity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei. Isaac Newton. Which country hosted the 2024 Olympic Games? Japan, France, USA. France. Which continent has the most countries? Africa, Asia, Europe. Africa. What is the national currency of Japan? Yen, yuan, won. Yen. Who is known as father of algebra? Al-Khwarizmi. Ibn Sina was famous for his work in which field? Mathematics, medicine, astronomy. Medicine. What is the national animal of China? Panda, tiger, dragon? Panda. Which country is called Land of Thousand Lakes? Finland. What is the national sport of Japan? Sumo wrestling, judo, baseball. Sumo wrestling. What gas do humans need to breathe? Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon. Oxygen. Who invented the first airplane? The Wright brothers, Edison, Tesla. The Wright brothers. Which animal is the largest bird in the world? Eagle, ostrich, peacock. Ostrich. The Milky Way is a type of what? Star, planet, galaxy. Galaxy. The Eiffel Tower is located in which city? Rome, Paris, London. Paris. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Antoine Lavoisier, Newton, Dalton. Antoine Lavoisier. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. Saturn. The Taj Mahal is made of what material? Marble, sandstone, granite. Marble. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Elephant, blue, whale, giraffe. Blue whale. Who is known as the father of medicine? Al-Razi, Hippocrates, Ibn Sina. Hippocrates. In which year did World War I begin? 1914, 1918, 1939? 1914. World War II ended in which year? 1942, 1945, 1950? 1945. The highest mountain in Pakistan is? Nanga Parbat. K2, Mount Everest. K2. The Titanic sank in which year? 1910, 1912, 1914. 1912. Which country holds the record for the most Olympic gold medals? China, Russia, USA. USA. The coldest place on Earth is? Antarctica, Siberia, Greenland. Antarctica. The second person to step on the moon was? Yuri Gagarin, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin. Buzz Aldrin. The largest desert in the world is? Sahara, Arabian Gobi. Sahara. The shortest war in history was fought between Britain and Zanzibar, USA and Japan, France and Germany. Britain and Zanzibar. World War II started after Germany invaded. Which country? France, Poland, Russia. Poland. The fastest land animal in the world is? Lion, cheetah, horse. Cheetah. The deepest ocean trench is called? Mariana Trench, Java Trench, Puerto Rico Trench. Mariana Trench. The largest ocean on Earth is? Atlantic, Indian, Pacific. Pacific. The Eiffel Tower was built in which country? Italy, France, Germany. France. The world's largest island is? Madagascar, Greenland, Borneo. Greenland. The United Nations was formed in which year? 1940, 1955, 1945. 1945. The longest wall in the world is located in? China, India, Egypt. China. The inventor of the telephone was? Alexander Graham Bell, Edison, Marconi. Alexander Graham Bell. The largest volcano in the world is? Mount Fuji, Mauna Loa, Krakatoa. Mauna Loa. The country with the most time zones is? USA, Russia, France. France.